Hello everyone, I am Anjali Prakash from BHM first year and I am very excited today to be here and I am going to present my presentation in front of you on the occasion of Bihar Divas and my topic is overview of Bihar. कुछ दिख नहीं रहा यहाँ से. Overview of Bihar. Bihar is situated. Bihar is situated in the northeast part of India. As you know, Bihar is situated in the northeast part of India. It is at the 11th, there are some errors. It is at the 12th position in India if we see area wise. In the north of Bihar, there is Nepal. In the north side, Bihar shares border with Nepal. In the south of Bihar, Jharkhand is situated. In the east of Bihar, West Bengal is situated. And in the west, it shares its border with Uttar Pradesh. Next. Definition of Bihar. There are total 38 districts of Bihar. Bihar is the third populated state in India. If we see population wise, then Bihar is on the third position. Hindi is the official language of Bihar. Most of the people speak in Hindi in Bihar. And there is all another languages also like Bhojpuri, Maghi and so on. Bodhi tree is the state emblem of Bihar. This state is also known for its cultural beauty and vast history. Now the next slide is history of Bihar. Bihar was known as Magad in ancient time. In ancient time or in past time, Bihar is also known as Magad. It was a center of power, learning and culture. Power in the sense our political parties and our famous persons make us feel proud. Learning in the sense we have lots of universities like Nalanda University, Vikramshila are also situated in Bihar. Culture, we have a vast culture and we are really very serious about it and follow it in a very proper manner and in a respect manner. The founder of Bihar and leader of the Maurya Empire, Chandragupta Maurya, was born here. Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of Bihar, was also from Bihar. Many famous universities such as Nalanda and Vikramshila were also estimated in Bihar. As we seen earlier that Nalanda University and Vikramshila University is also situated in Bihar. The next slide is capital of Bihar. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It was built by Ajyastrut. Patna was earlier known as Patliputra. In ancient time and in earlier time, Patna was known as Patliputra. Chandragupta Maurya made it this capital in 4th century. Chandragupta Maurya made Patna as a capital of Bihar in 4th century BC. Current Bihar. Mr. Nitish Kumar is the present Chief Minister of Bihar. There are so many tourism attraction in Bihar like Babar Cave of Sultanpur, Sirsa, Suri Tomb, Buddhist tree, etc. The festival which are celebrated on a vast level in Bihar is Chhath Puja. Chhath Puja is an emotion to every Bihari. It is celebrated at a very large level. Bihar is the land of political parties and leaders. Next one. Conclusion. Bihar is the place which gate history, land of Buddha, where freedom movement was started, which has given birth to lots of intellectual whose knowledge is spread worldwide. Bihar is a place which has rich culture, heritage and follows even till today. Traditional festivals are celebrated which happiness. Some important festivals celebrated are Chhath Puja, Sana, Chekawa, Ram Navami, Makar Sankranti, Bhumula, Tej, Pritipaksh Mela at Gaya Sonpur Fair. Maximum IAS IPS officers came out from Bihar. Highest agricultural production in India is from Bihar. Stop hating us or seeing us as illiterate fools. Not every Bihari is dumb in English, illiterate. Therefore, stop discriminating against us. Next. Thank you.